Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Unity 2020, 3 LTS or later in Unity Hub. Once ready, create or open your project and pick 3D or blank so assets import cleanly. Then open Window Package Manager and install Universal RP. You must pick a compatible URP package version for your editor. After installation, create the URP asset and a forward renderer. This sets up the core pipeline, files the project needs, so shaders and materials can target URP correctly. Once done installing URP, you assign the new URP asset in Edit Project Settings Graphics and then in Quality Levels. Make sure to also set the forward renderer if you created one. Next, use the Render Pipeline menu to upgrade project materials and lighting to URP-compatible versions. This converts shaders and prevents visual breakage. You should check scene cameras and post-processing stacks, replacing legacy components with URP volume and renderer features, so rendering behavior and performance match expectations across platforms. To finish, run the scene and build to your target platform to validate visuals and performance. If materials look wrong, open each and assign Universal Render Pipeline /lit or simple lit shaders. Re-import problematic assets when needed. Make sure lighting settings, reflection probes, and post-processing volumes are active. If you encounter errors, check the package manager for mismatched versions and inspect the console for shader or script exceptions. Resolving version conflicts usually fixes most issues quickly, ensuring a stable URP setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.